gaming is more popular than ever. Games are no longer just about playing. They've become a way for kids to connect with others around the world. Chat rooms and voice chats are built into many platforms, making it easy for players to team up, strategize, and share their experiences. But here's the thing, these spaces aren't always as safe as they seem. Let's break it down. Imagine your child is playing their favorite game, chatting with someone who seems friendly. They might exchange tips about the game or discuss strategies, but then the conversation shifts. Questions like, "What's your name?" or "What school do you go to?" might pop up. While these may sound innocent, they can be part of a tactic used by strangers to gather personal information. And it's not just about privacy. Online chat rooms can also expose kids to inappropriate language, bullying, or even predatory behavior. Trash talk and competitive banter are common in gaming, but there is a fine line between playful interaction and harmful communication. The anonymity of online chat rooms can make it hard to know who's really on the other side of the screen. It could be another child, or it could be an adult pretending to be one. This is why it's crucial to remain aware of who our kids are interacting with online. So, what can we do to make gaming a safer experience for kids? First, start by having open conversations. Teach your kids about the importance of privacy. Let them know it's never okay to share personal details like their full name, address, school, or even the city they live in. Second, take advantage of parental controls. Many gaming platforms offer features to limit or monitor chat capabilities. Familiarize yourself with these settings and customize them based on your child's age and maturity level. Third, stay involved. Check in regularly with your kids about the games they're playing and who they're chatting with. Remember, gaming should be a positive and engaging activity, not one that comes with hidden dangers. By being proactive and maintaining open communication, we can help kids enjoy their favorite games while staying safe. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on online safety and gaming. Together, we can create a safer digital world for everyone.